Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's 9th of April, and the time right now is around 5:30, and we are here to have a look at Golden Heights at Paramount Gate number 1. It's a 2 BHK, 800 square feet, and it's very well planned and very well done. It has got a lot of beautiful features. If I could take you through it, which I will also be telling you. You can see most of the exterior works are done. Probably now in the coming days we are going to get started with the interiors as well. The location, if I talk about the location, it's at Paramount Gate number 1. The moment you enter, you see Fort View Residency. What you're seeing right now on your screens. Right bang opposite to this is the project. Let us turn towards the project. How to reach to this place? You get inside, and towards the end of the road, you would see it at your left hand side towards the end of the road. We are here. Let me narrate you a toddler's poem which sets really well on the elevation of this project. And we are here, as you all know, at Golden Heights at Paramount Gate number 1. Now the toddler's thing is, twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. So these are the diamonds that we have fixed it onto the elevation, which adds, if I could tell you with the real essence of it, char chand laga rahe hain. It's something like that. This is the elevation. It's a 2 BHK. What you see, it's one single flat. So basically the one what you see at the right hand side window is one bedroom, which is master, and the left, the balcony what you're seeing is the balcony with a bedroom. And it's 800 square feet budget flat, but again it's nothing less than a luxury. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get back to work. So what has been done till now? The elevation work has been completed. The sides, if I could show you, it's a little darker because of the curtains laid above it. That's done. The ground floor, we are yet to finish it. The one at the right, that plaster is also done. The complete stuff is down. So basically the bits and pieces work is pending, which is again under progress. This is Golden Heights, yes. 2 BHK, 800 square feet, located at Paramount Gate number 1. And the moment you enter, this is the project, and that's the entrance, right opposite lane to the Fort View Villas. There it is, Fort View Villas. That's the main road of the Paramount. If you go right side, you will reach Jubilee Hills, and if you take left from there, you reach to the Toli Choki main road. It's very easily accessible to High Tech City and also Medipatnam and nearby places. It's very convenient. Where is the rate in the world where you get 2 BHK below 30 lakhs? Yes, come on, 50% already booked. Come, have a look at it. If you like it, you go for it. It's below 30 lakhs. So coming back to the job, this is ground floor. It's elevated from the ground. Yes, it's a ground floor entrance. So of course, ladies and gentlemen, the stairs are going to be a little more beautiful. These are the temporary stairs. And let me show you, it comes with just two-wheeler parking. That's the entrance for the vehicles from the road. This would be the entrance, and that's the main road. Most of the vehicles belongs to our boys, and this is going to be the ground floor. What we have planned for the ground floor is we're going to have some sitting arrangements, some swings, and some play area for the kids. So these are the cement banks lying here. and this will be removed, of course, and there will be some sitting arrangements and some swings and some greenery at this point. So we have got lift, we have got staircase, we have got power backup as well. Let's get on to the project and see how it looks. Now this is the lift, and next to it is staircase, which takes you up. So the lift will very easily accommodate 4 people, and a little lesser weight, it could also go to 6 people as well. So these are the staircase which takes us up, and let me show you the flats from the top. So the moment you enter, you land up in the common area, which is enough for 2 units. The right side will be 1 unit, and this is unit number 2. In between is the elevator. This is the unit number 1. Let's get inside and see. The moment you enter, it's a hall. Large window. The 2 doors are of 2 bedrooms. The dining spot. The common bath. The wash area. And the kitchen. Bedroom 1. That's the attached bath. Window. That's the wardrobe. And this is the master bedroom with the attached bath. This is the window at the bathroom, the bedroom, master bedroom. Beautiful outdoor view. Lot of open area. Playground. Very adjacent. The neighborhood is a playground. The masjid. Of course, the azan will be right into your ears when you're sleeping. And yes, that's the main road. Porch view, main road. Hall again. That's the kitchen. And we are entering into the second bedroom. Second bedroom comes with a balcony. This is the second bedroom, which comes with a balcony, and we are shooting it from the balcony. Yeah, here you're gonna have a balcony, and balcony would have the life-size door, and you would have an option to open either side of it. And that's the balcony. Enough for to be seated 2 people, and you can have 2 chairs as well. So coming back to the room, we are out and we are into the hall, and 2 bedroom hall. This is the first flat which we have been seeing, the road facing, and this is the second flat. Now the second flat is little bigger than the flat which is the road facing, and when you get in, again it's a mirror image, but the dimensions are a little more. The hall is a little bigger, and luckily only these flats are left. The common bath, the moment you enter, it's a hall, and then you have a kitchen, pretty much spacious for a small family, and then this is the ventilation point, and plus you can have a wash area here or the hand wash area. That is going to be the common bath, and yes, those are the 2 bedrooms, and this is the hall. Pretty much spacious hall. Let's see the first bedroom. This is the bedroom number 1, which comes with an attached bath and a window at you can even use it as a changing area. This is the bedroom number 1 with an attached bath, and we come out of this bedroom, we are again into the hall, and then this is the second bedroom. Where would you get below 30 lakhs this kind of a flat, and that too a brand new flat? Again we are in the hall. As I told you, it's 800 square feet. 800 square feet, 2 BHK, it's a budget flat, but yes, once it is done, it is nothing going to be less than the luxury flat. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get down and see the elevation. How does it look? It's half an hour since we have started shooting this video. We have reached to the ground floor. We have come out of the structure and we are out here. Wow. It was a lot of heat waves going on, but now the weather looks a little pleasant. You could see there's a nice breeze. It's a beautiful elevation mixed with texture paint, lights. That's the entrance and we are at the ground floor. Let's go up and see how does it looks again. These are the decorative lights we have fixed in here, and yes, it's a Landmark Homes project. It's less than 30 lakhs, 2 BHK, 800 square feet. It's just namesake, it's a budget flat, but yes, this tower is going to redefine your living. And you guys have been watching lots of videos, and I would suggest you and I would recommend you to please subscribe to our channel, which is Landmark Homes Hyderabad. It's Golden Heights, from Landmark Homes Hyderabad. And thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for investing your precious time to watch this project. Thank you and have a nice and wonderful day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.